Hey, it's Simon from CommerceGurus. I'm here to show you our new CommerceGurus Size Guide app for Shopify. So returns and exchanges are incredibly expensive and time consuming for e-commerce stores, and reducing this overhead can have huge financial benefits. One of the easiest ways to do that is by having effective size guides. When we started looking at size guides apps for Shopify, we were surprised to see many of them were not built for Shopify. They were really slow and they weren't accessible. So they did not use native HTML. They weren't keyboard accessible. And they weren't really designed for the latest legal implications as well, such as the EAA and the ADA, which are coming into force. So we wanted to build a better size guides app, and here it is. So firstly, on the front end, when you edit your product page, what we have is a really nice online 2.0 store supported block that you can drop in anywhere on your product page. You can move it into any position you like, and you can quickly adjust the label, you can change the style, and you can adjust the margins. So you can position it exactly where you want it. Obviously, you can change the colors, the background colors, really style it exactly how you like it. On the back end, where we have the actual content, we have this beautiful responsive table. So it is incredibly quick and simple to actually adjust data. You can do that really simply. You can move columns around. You can move them horizontally and vertically. It's a really nice experience, and it means that you can get up and running really quickly. You can also have auto conversions. So we have centimeters to inches and the other way as well. So you can quickly, adjust your store to, suit US, European, and international customers depending on the measurements that you need to display. We have this really nice how to measure section, so you can add additional content to your size guide, and you can decide to associate it with individual products or product types. So you could have one size guide for t-shirts, for example, and another size guide for shoes. It's a really nice Polaris built responsive front end that we think you'll really enjoy using. On the front end, you can see this. It is a beautiful, responsive, minimal HTML, CSS. It's really lightweight. We wanted to build this to be best in class, and it is really is a breath of fresh air in comparison to other size guides apps. We are constantly writing about, the importance of size guides. I really recommend you check out apps.commercegurus.com. We have loads of content around why size guides can really help improve e-commerce stores, reduce returns, and why accessibility as well is such an important priority in this area. I recommend as well checking out our changelog. We are constantly updating the size guide app with new features. You can see on our changelog page all of the additional enhancements we've made over the last few months. So this product is going to be continuously updated, and you can be sure that it's going to be just constantly improved and developed going forward. We'd really love you to try CommerceGurus size guides, and we would be delighted to hear any feedback that you have for our product. We think you're really going to love it. Thank you. Bye bye.